Prepositional phrases. Part 1. By, for, out, in, by far. This car is by far the fastest. By hand. She is making his sweater by hand. By chance. Do you by chance know the time? By surprise. The rainstorm caught me by surprise. By the dozen. I buy eggs by the dozen. For once. For once, I wish I had a lot of money. For a moment. Would you hold this for a moment? For a good reason. I always lock my door for a good reason. For real. When I speak to a group of people for real, I get nervous. For certain. I am for certain it is poison. Out of. Out of debt. I am finally out of debt. Out of reach. The apple is out of reach. Out of control. The car is out of control. Out of date. This food is out of date. Out of place. The yellow line is out of place. In. In debt. Bob is in debt. He owes a lot of money. In danger. The man is in danger. In fact. The man is in fact a police officer. In the news. There was something strange reported in the news. In a hurry. John is in a hurry. Now you try. This car is by far the fastest. She is making his sweater by hand. Do you, by chance, know the time? The rainstorm caught me by surprise. I buy eggs by the dozen. For once, I wish I had a lot of money. Would you hold this for a moment? I always lock my door for a good reason. When I speak to a group of people for real, I get nervous. I am for certain it is poison. I am finally out of debt. The apple is out of reach. The car is out of control. This food is out of date. The yellow line is out of place. Bob is in debt. He owes a lot of money. The man is in danger. The man is in fact a police officer. There was something strange reported in the news. John is in a hurry.
Good job!